I'm back to making cocktails. Not too long ago, Karen and I watched a movie called Elvis, and they had one of these on the show. Well, we happen to have one. We've had it for a long ass time, and it's still filled. We still got it. Here's Elvis. It's been a long time since I made cocktails on YouTube. I haven't made them on YouTube. Been making them sitting on the couch. We've been away, as you saw, all our trips, and we got sick after our trips. We were down for a few weeks. Karen's still kind of down, but I'm back again, and I'm married to a Karen. Today I'm going to make a drink called a Sidecar. It's for a motorcycle, I guess. It's a sidecar. You're riding the sidecar on a motorcycle, of course. And it's going to be a quick video because I don't feel like doing a video today. But I'm going to do it anyway because I want you guys to remember that I'm back. Okay? I am back. And I'm going to put in 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 2 ounces of cognac. I'm sorry, I lied. 3 ounces of cognac. How's that, Karen? Did I do good?
Yeah, you did
I
good.
corrected myself.
Yeah.
3 ounces of cognac.
That's a lot.
Yeah, a lot because, it's a lot.
You're a big drinker?
Yeah, it is. I am. I am a big drinker.
I thought so.
I like to drink.
I knew that.
1.5 ounces of Cointreau.
Okay. That makes it good.
That makes it really good.
Yeah. Love that Cointreau.
I was supposed to put the ice in there first, but I didn't, of course.
No, I don't think you are. I think you're right.
Whoop.
You don't want to dilute your alcohol.
No, I don't want to dilute the alcohol.
No.
And you stir, stir, stir. Okay? That's why I have it. Okay, here we go. Nasty time, nasty time. It's nasty time. Supposed to do a sugar rim, but Karen says I'm sweet enough already.
So true.
That's what you said, Karen, isn't
That's what I said. I do not lie.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, just perfect.
It's a nice looking drink.
A nice looking drink.
Yeah. It's a nice looking drink and it tastes good. It's a good drink. Well, thank you for watching, and always have a nice, pleasant day. And Christmas is coming, so Merry Christmas to all if you don't see me by then. Have a nice one. Cheers.